However the technology grows, the earth revolves, we always stand behind agriculture. Agriculture was the past. Agriculture is the present. Agriculture is the future. This is the power of agriculture. Our country is an agricultural land. 60% of people belong to agricultural background. Our country's social economical benefits come from agriculture. Any technology should come up, any future plan should come up with taking care of agriculture. Once in a lifetime, you need to meet a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, but every day you need to meet a farmer. If you want to eat food, you need a farmer. The person who is giving food to us is dying without food. Once when a man asked Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, what is the culture of India? He said, our culture is agriculture, but we are damaging it every day. Even for a small project, 50 trees are cut down. That has become a greater damage to the society. H2O is the smallest molecule which no one can create in this world. Everything is possible by the young youth of tomorrow. Our India is a country which consumes more number of food, more amount of food, and food security is important in our country. Our government is concerned about food security, but not about agriculture lands and farmers. Due to chemical fertilizers, genetically modified foods, we are not only killing our agriculture lands, but our farmers and killing ourselves too. Due to genetically modified foods and chemical fertilizers, we injected chemical fertilizers into land and it has injected poison into our blood. And due to that, we are suffering due to cancer and our lifespan has totally reduced. Even the most precious mother's milk has become poison. Our export and import rate has totally gone down. Once Japan was getting 10 lakhs tons of sesame from India, but now not even a single ton. The major reason is our chemical fertilizers. We have to import our natural fertilizers into our country. The only solution for all this is organic farming and poultry upliftment in India. I'm very happy that many IT professionals and management professionals are getting into agriculture now. But still more young youth should get into agriculture and make it beneficial. After this, the world war might come only for food and water. We have to conserve water. We should not search water on ground. Rather, we should search on skies. How much liters of water do you use per day? 20 to 30 liters approximately? No, that is not the case. You use 2,000 liters of water per day. Do you ask me how? In the virtual form. To produce 1 ton of rice, you need 2,850 liters.